Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainmaker in Splatoon 3. The primary objective is to grab the Rainmaker, a powerful weapon, and carry it to your opponent's pedestal. First, you must break its shield, which takes several shots. Once picked up, your team needs to push forward, aiming to score. Remember, the carrier is always visible, making teamwork crucial for success. When you carry the Rainmaker, you gain a powerful, slow-firing weapon that can splat opponents in one hit. However, your movement speed is reduced by about 20%, making you an easy target. Your team's role is to escort you, eliminating threats and creating a safe route. If you drop the Rainmaker, its shield will reappear at that location, requiring it to be broken again. Teamwork is essential for Rainmaker success. If your teammate has the Rainmaker, your job is to clear a path, splatting any opponents who stand in the way. Use your special abilities strategically to either push forward aggressively or defend your carrier from incoming attacks. Conversely, if the enemy team has the Rainmaker, your priority shifts to stopping their advance and splatting their carrier. On defense, your primary goal is to splat the enemy Rainmaker carrier as quickly as possible. Use your weapons and specials to block their path and prevent them from reaching your pedestal. If the game goes into overtime, it continues as long as the Rainmaker is being carried or is contested. The match concludes when the Rainmaker is either scored or dropped, ending the tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.